Hey there, military enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into China's naval power, specifically their 3 aircraft carriers and their recent intensive activities. This is a story of rapid developments, rigorous tests, and an expanding maritime influence. First up is the Liaoning, China's first aircraft carrier. Recently, the Liaoning Group conducted exercises in the West Pacific, showcasing enhanced combat capabilities. These exercises are part of their annual training schedule and included transiting near Diaoyudao and between Japanese islands, before conducting flight operations southeast of Miyako Island. Think about it. Fighter jets and helicopters taking off and landing, demonstrating a serious commitment to maintaining readiness and improving operational skills. But that's not all. Earlier this year, a new type of warplane was tested on the Liaoning. This move underscores ongoing efforts to modernize carrier-based aircraft. The Liaoning, commissioned in 2012, is a critical platform for testing and development. These advancements are integral to the PLA Navy's growing capabilities in the region. Now let's talk about the Shandong, China's second aircraft carrier. The Shandong recently conducted nighttime certification tests for fighter jet pilots in the South China Sea. This is a big deal, folks. Nighttime operations are crucial for maintaining a constant state of readiness. Successfully completing these tests marks a significant milestone for the Shandong. The certification of new pilots for nighttime operations expands the PLA Navy's operational flexibility. This means the Shandong can conduct missions anytime, day or night. The rigorous training and certification of pilots are essential for maintaining a highly skilled and effective carrier air wing. Last but not least, the Fujian, China's third aircraft carrier, has been busy too. The Fujian recently embarked on its 4th round of sea trials. These trials are essential for evaluating the performance and capabilities of new vessels. The repeated sea trials indicate a commitment to ensuring its operational readiness. Integrating the Fujian into the PLA Navy fleet is a significant step forward. So, what does all this mean? Having 3 operational aircraft carriers allows China to maintain continuous readiness, with at least one carrier group always available for deployment. This ensures a consistent presence in strategically important areas, which is crucial for safeguarding national interests and responding to potential threats. China's aircraft carrier program is progressing rapidly. They're building more advanced carriers, developing new aircraft, and training more pilots. This comprehensive approach reflects a long-term commitment to strengthening naval capabilities. The increased frequency of far seas drills further demonstrates China's commitment to enhancing its naval power. These drills provide valuable experience in operating carrier groups in diverse environments. Regular drills are essential for maintaining operational readiness and improving coordination among different units. In short, China's growing naval activities reflect its expanding global role and its commitment to protecting its maritime interests. That's it for today's deep dive into China's naval power. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more military insights. Until next time, stay curious.